Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, this is the track 3 of learning Microsoft Excel tricks. In this track, we will be learning that how to find the maximum and minimum value in a data. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos. And also if you want to learn the Microsoft Excel completely from scratch to advanced level, so you can visit this channel, and in the playlist you can find the MS Excel course, which consists of 18 parts in which I have completely explained the learning of Excel from basics to advanced level. So let's start that how to find the maximum and minimum value in a data. So let's suppose we write a data and want to find the maximum and minimum value in their data. So as you can see, this is the data, and in this data we want to find the maximum and minimum, max and min. So in order to find the max and min, so you will select the cell where you want to uh, find the max or min. So first we will calculate the maximum value in this data, the max, which is the maximum value. So we want to measure write the answer here. So we will select this cell and then we'll write the equal sign and then write the max, which is max, and double click on the max and then select the data in which you are interested to find the maximum value. So we select the data from this top and this bottom end, and then we'll click enter. Now you can see this is the 96, which is the maximum value in this data, which is this one. So this is how you can calculate the maximum value, means to find the maximum value in a data. Now we are interested to find the minimum value in this data. So we will select the cell and then we'll click on write the equal sign and then write the min, which is shortcut for the minimum, and double click on this minimum and then select the data in which you are interested to find the minimum value. So this is the data, and now you have to just click on the enter. So you can see this is 12, which is the smallest minimum value in this data. As you can see, this is the 12, which is the minimum value, and this is the maximum value. So this is how you can calculate the maximum and minimum value in your data. So now if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.